Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple and updated process of changing your email on the Pinterest app using your PC. Whether you want to update your contact info or switch to a new email address, this step-by-step guide will walk you through it quickly and smoothly. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner where you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. In this menu, select Settings again to access your account preferences. Next, find and enter the section labeled Account Management. This is where you can manage all important details related to your account. Now, you'll see your current email address displayed. Click on the email field and simply type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure this is an email you have access to because Pinterest will send a verification message to that address. After entering your new email, scroll down and click the Save button to confirm the change. Pinterest will then send a confirmation email to the new address you provided. To complete the update, open your email inbox. Find the verification email from Pinterest and follow the instructions to verify your new email. Keep in mind, Pinterest also sends a notification to your old email address as a security measure to prevent unauthorized changes. If you don't have access to your old email anymore, be prepared to contact Pinterest support for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address on Pinterest using your PC. This new process is designed to be user-friendly and secure, helping you keep your account information fresh and safe. Thanks for following along.